In front of me is TECNO Pova 6 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, launch it, hit consent, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then use this gear at the top left corner, operate all of those settings however you want to, and when you finished, click at the top right corner. Then bottom right corner, set as save wallpaper, yes, tap on set wallpaper, and click on one of those options. When you finished, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!